Lil Woody makes a threat on the stand, calls out the prosecutor, explains why he snitched on Thug, describes protecting his family in a drive-by shooting, and more in this episode of YSL Trial Highlights Day 109. Lil Woody describes how he protected his family from a drive-by shooting.
I look around, I seen the car sitting at the stop sign, just sitting there. I walked towards my car and I grabbed my baby mama's hand and pulled her closer to me. And the car pulled out. They were trying to figure out which way they wanted to go. Then they turned my way. I told her to get down. I pulled the gun out, put my baby behind my back because she was in a car seat. But the car rolled on side of me. I seen all their windows up and I didn't just want to shoot anybody off of paranoid. So I waited. They rolled up, let their window down and tried to shoot. And I shot all in their car.
And what happened after you shot at that car?
I ran around, grabbed my baby mama out the back seat, told her to duck behind me as we tried to go back into the apartment. And they got out the window and tried to shoot. They shot and I shot back at them again. And then the car started making a lot of noise. They ran to a house. They jumped out and I shot at them some more.
Lil Woody explains why he snitched on Thug and that he'll do it again.
The police kept locking me up for whatever they could, and they keep bringing up Thug name. So what I did was to get them off of me. I said Thug did this, Thug did that, Thug did, because I knew they would never. I knew he didn't do it. In my mind, I knew that the police would never go mess with him. So it was easy for me to try to throw the blame off on him to get them off of me, and that's what I was doing from all these years. I don't remember what I done told them in the past, but my whole motive was Thug did it because I knew he didn't do it, and they couldn't lock him up, and they keep talking about Thug, Thug, Thug. So guess what I'm gonna tell them? Yeah. What else you want me to tell them? Yeah, he killed this person. Yeah, he did that. That's what I'm gonna do. And that's right now. If I walk out this thing and they say the police stop me now, hey man, give me something about Thug. I'm about to make something up about him again.
Lil Woody becomes overwhelmed by his situation because if he has been telling the truth on the stand, then the judge is implying he will go to jail for telling the truth. But this is not the case.
I've been pressured from the get-go because I've been dragged down in here because of lies that I done told. I'm tired of y'all bothering me.
Okay, well, I'm sorry that you're tired of being bothered, but you're under subpoena. Anything that you say can't be used against you other than if you get on the stand and lie, it amounts to perjury. You can be charged with that. But if you refuse to testify altogether, that is considered contempt.
I'm telling you to your face. You just said that something about it, they can lock me up for lying. That's all I do. And you're telling me that they can lock me up if I lie. But if I sit here and testify, so the either way it go, I'm going to jail.
So are you going to testify or not?
Lil Woody calls out the prosecutor for knowing she's in the wrong.
Did you tell Detective Thorpe that initially when you and Showcal were in the club, y'all never really fist fought? Y'all just would throw up birds at each other?
Like I told you before y'all called me to trial, I have lied. I made things up. I told you this before y'all brought me in this courtroom. And I'm telling you now, you asked me about 2015. I have got my life together. Y'all trying to put this on my conscience. Y'all trying to put people's life in my hands. I don't lie on people. I don't want to be here. Y'all have pressured me. I'm tired of y'all because y'all know y'all are wrong and y'all black people doing this to us.
And I understand that.
Lil Woody makes a good argument and then tells the prosecutor, what's up?
Am I here to tell the truth or to remember my lies?
I want you to tell the truth.
But you keep going to my lies though.
Back in 2015, did you tell Detective Thorpe that this was a lie?
Listen, when they get me, I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna try to tell them whatever I can to finesse my way out of whatever situation that I'm in.
And it's only now in 2024 that you're saying that everything you said in 2015 is a lie. Is that correct?
Because I went to the Fed. Y'all didn't let me out of jail till what, 4 years later? So if I was telling the truth then, why it took y'all so many years to try to say, okay, he was being honest or whatever the case is? If I was telling the truth, y'all would have made any case back then. Y'all knew I was lying. Y'all put me in jail. I go do my time. I get out of jail, try to get my life together. Y'all trying to drag me back into the lies that I done made. Y'all, what's up?
The prosecutor marks Lil Woody as a hostile witness, but the judge downplays it.
At Club Crucial, did you get into a fight with Kel?
I don't recall.
Did you tell Detective Thorpe that you got into a fight with Kel at Club Crucial the Monday before Donovan Thomas got killed?
I probably did.
And did you tell them that was after you were flashing money while you were on the stage?
I probably did. Detective Thorpe, his brain was the size of a squirrel brain. So you could just tell him anything, he gonna go for it.
You're right. At this time, the state's gonna ask permission to treat Mr. Copeland as a hostile witness under pursuant to 24-6-611, Your Honor.
Granted.
Thank you.
What that mean?
Don't worry about it.
The prosecutor has to tell Lil Woody to watch his language and listen to the questions.
Every time the police was trying to get me, they kept bringing his name up. I knew they had me for what I had, so I was like, yeah, whatever y'all want me to say, I would say it. That's why I told Gaither and Dennis, and that's why they kept coming after me, because they felt like, okay, they can make a case out of him or whatever they trying to do. So they knew that, okay, we gonna get Woody today. He gonna have something to say about and it's wrong. And y'all is wrong because y'all know that I'm full of and y'all keep trying to drag me in here to bring up bullshit that y'all know I don't say it. Why is y'all doing that? Leave me alone. If y'all gonna charge me for what I did, I don't did the time for the crimes y'all caught me for.
Would you mind your language while we're sitting here in court?
I'm trying to. Y'all need to give me a break because my blood pressure is real high. I keep telling y'all, leave me alone.
And the quicker we get through this, the quicker we can leave you alone. Do you understand?
Okay,
that?
on recall.
Going back to 2015.
On recall.
You
Listen to the question first.
Lil Woody threatens people who attacked him and explains that he makes people run.
told Detective Thorpe at Club Crucial on that Monday before Donovan Thomas was killed that Kel punched you in the back of your head.
I don't recall what I told him specifically, however you pronounce it.
Okay. And is it also true that after Kel punched you in the back of the head, then other people came and began jumping on you as well?
They time gonna come.
That's not the question I asked you. Is it true that you told Detective Thorpe that after they jumped on you, you ran outside of the club?
I ain't doing no running.
Okay. And is it true that after you ran outside of the club that you told Detective Thorpe?
I ain't doing no running.
Okay. Is that what you told Detective Thorpe?
I told you I'd tell him anything.
Okay.
You want the truth though, but I ain't doing no running. I'm gonna make other people run.